As tensions rise over the deadly coronavirus outbreak, 2 train passengers got into a verbal spat on a packed city. Intentionally cough in the man's direction, just moments after he asked her to cover her mouth. In the footage, the man can be heard accusing the woman sitting opposite him of coughing without covering her mouth. And the woman then rebuts by leaning in and faking a cough with an open mouth in his direction.
Yes, I did not open my mouth. I did not open my mouth when I coughed. I coughed inside my mouth.
Disgusting.
Yeah, you're disgusting too.
Are you serious? Did you just cough at me?
Yeah. I don't have a pandemic. Bully.
Bully?
Yeah, bully.
I asked you politely to please cover your mouth and
Yes,
cough.
I did not open my mouth when I coughed. Don't you listen?
People in Australia have become increasingly worried amid the coronavirus outbreak, especially after supermarkets have run out of essential supplies. Now, more than 80 cases of infections have been confirmed in Australia. 3 people have died.